To automatically switch to mobile data when your Wi-Fi connection is unstable in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select intelligent Wi-Fi. Now tap the green on off switch next to switch to mobile data to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. When this option is on, your phone will automatically use mobile data whenever your Wi-Fi internet connection is slow or unstable. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.